Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your system can handle motion backgrounds. Check Windows version, GPU drivers, and free RAM. Once done, choose the software that fits your needs: Wallpaper Engine for Steam, Lively for free open source, or Rainmeter for widgets. Download and install the app now, then place your live file or download a wallpaper pack into a known folder. Make sure to run the installer as administrator so permissions are correct, and the app can register itself with the system. Open the chosen app and import your live file or select a wallpaper from the store/library. Drag and drop works in most apps. Next, configure playback options. Set loop, mute audio if you don't want sound, and cap FPS to balance visuals versus CPU/GPU load. Choose a performance profile, high for desktop, battery saver for laptops, and tailor resolution and scaling for each monitor. Once configured, click Apply or Set Wallpaper so the system registers it as the active desktop background. Finally, enable the app to start with Windows so your live wallpaper returns after reboot. Most apps have a toggle for this. Test by opening a full-screen game or video to confirm the wallpaper pauses or minimizes resource use. If you encounter a blank or black desktop, restart the Wallpaper app and run it as administrator. Also check Task Manager for conflicts or high GPU usage. If problems persist, re-import the wallpaper, lower FPS or resolution, and disable other background launchers that might override the renderer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.